In this video, I will be talking about لأن. Using لأن, also use it with the pronouns. Let's get started. لأن, it's a combination between two words. The first one لي, which is preposition, and the second particle is أن. You put them together, you pronounce it لأن, لأن, because. لأن must be followed by a noun or a pronoun. The noun that followed لأن must be منصوب, must be accusative. You have to see فتحة after the noun that followed لأن. It has to be accusative. Let's see some examples. لا أحب الجو في بوسطن لأن الجو فيها بارد في الشتاء. لم تذهب إلى الكلية هذا الأسبوع لأنها مريضة. Let's see how we attach a pronoun to the لأن. Let's see how we attach them with some of the pronouns. Now, when you attach them to the pronouns, it could be followed by a verb or noun or a pronoun. But remember, لأن by itself, if you use لأن in a sentence, لأن has to follow by a noun or a pronoun. But if you attach a pronoun to لأن, then it could be followed by a verb. And I will show you some examples. Now let's read لأن with some pronouns. لأن and أنا, لأني, or you can say لأنني. So in Arabic you can't say لأن and أنا. You have to, all the time remember, you have to attach a pronoun to the noun. Then you pronounce it لأني or لأنني. The second one, لأنك, لأنك, لأنه, لأنها, لأننا, لأنكم, لأنهم. So all the time you have to attach the pronoun to the noun. Let's practice. لا يحب الصيف blank الجو فيه حار. The correct answer is لأن, لأنه, لأنها. The correct answer is لأن. He doesn't like summer because the weather is hot. Elizabeth تشعر بالوحدة blank بعيدة عن أهلها. So Elizabeth feels lonely. So which word do you have to use to tell she feels lonely because she is far away from her parents? لأن, لأنهم, لأنها. The correct answer is لأنها, because she. لا يذهبون إلى السينما. They don't go to the cinema. blank مشغولون بالدراسة. They are busy studying. See here مشغولون, it's a verb because here we are attaching now to the pronoun because they. How you say the word because they? لأننا, لأنهم, لأن. How you say because they? لأنهم. لا يعمل اليوم. He doesn't work today. blank مريض sick. How you say because he? How you say because he? لأنه, لأنها, لأنهم. The correct answer is لأنه, because he is sick. لا يحبون السفر. They don't like traveling. blank مشغولون, because they are busy. which word you use because they are لأن, لأنك, لأنك, لأنهم. Again, لأن, لأنك, لأنهم. The correct answer is لأنهم, because they. لم أذهب إلى العمل اليوم. I did not go to the work today because مريضة, sick. So I, the pronoun here is I. How you say because I? لأني, لأنني, لأن. Because I. The correct answer is, I can say لأني and also I can say لأنني. Both of them, by the way, are correct. لأني or لأنني. Both of them because I. But we write them different ways. Now, complete giving reason or purpose for the following. Please do it by yourself. Lina تشعر بالوحدة. Lina feels lonely. Explain why. By using, of course, لأن with a pronoun. Sam لا يذهب إلى الجامعة كل يوم. Why he doesn't go to the جامعة كل يوم? Because he is what? Explain it. Just give any reason. مارينا وليلى وجودي يذهبون إلى الجامعة. Why three girls, Marina, وليلى وجودي, they go to the university? Explain why. نحب اللغة العربية. We like Arabic language. Why? So use لأن with we.